baby's first hiccups.
She doesn't quite know what to think of them. Her whole body moves.
Mm-hmm. She was sucking on my finger and then got the hiccups.
Too much air.